Odysseus, a local-first AI agent that's about to change how you work, and right now we're getting it running on Proxmox. The feature list is absolutely stacked. Chat Agent Mode, a cookbook for managing AI models, deep research, documents, memory and skills, email integration, notes and tasks, extensions, media, and more. Local first, privacy first, and completely no code. Let's dive in. Proxmox container setup. I'm using a Proxmox helper script to make this easy. I'll select Ubuntu 22.04 and open the Proxmox script. I'll go with the default settings, select local ZFS for storage, and confirm the container creation. And the container is ready. To use Odysseus as efficiently as possible, we need to make a few changes to the container we just created. First, I'll rename it to Odysseus for easier identification. I already have the IP address, so I'll just open it up, head over to the hardware section, double-click, and rename it to Odysseus. Now for the resources, I'll increase the CPU cores to 4, that should be more than enough. And for memory, I'm going to bump it up to about 20 gigabytes to give Odysseus plenty of room to work with, especially when running larger AI models locally. With those changes made, I'll restart the container. Once it's back up, I'll run an update and upgrade to make sure everything is up to date. This will pull in the latest package updates and security patches. Just give it a few minutes to complete, and we'll be ready to go. Let's jump into the console. Odysseus installation via terminal. Back on the GitHub page, I'll grab the one-line installation command. I'll log in as root and paste the command. Let's kick off the installation. The script is now cloning the repository, updating packages, and installing all the system dependencies, Python 3, Node, JS, and various libraries. This part takes a few minutes, so I'll let it run. Now it's installing the Python dependencies, FastAPI, Unicorn, LangChain, and all the AI libraries. Alright, it's asking us to create an admin account. I'll type admin for the username. And I'll set a password. Make sure you remember this, you'll need it to log in. And we're done, Odysseus started successfully. It's giving us the local access URL, 192.168.122.0 port 7000. I'll copy that and open it in the browser. Initial login and dashboard. Here's the login page, clean dark theme, looking good already. I'll log in with the admin credentials we just created. And here's the main dashboard. On the sidebar you can see all the sections: chat, agent, cookbook, deep research, gallery, documents, and settings. Let me quickly click through these to show you the layout. Everything is empty right now since this is a fresh install, but we'll fix that. Model and skill configuration. First things first, we need to connect an AI model. I'll type /setup in the chat box. From the list, I'll select setup OpenAI and paste in my API key. This enables the primary language model that powers everything. Now let's add some skills. I'm heading to the skills website and searching for Agent Browser. This is a skill that lets the AI navigate the web autonomously. Found it, I'll copy the skills installation ID. Back in Odysseus, I'll type add skill followed by the ID, and there it goes, processing the skill. Give it a moment to install. Now let's check out the cookbook. This is where you manage your AI models. You can see a table with various models: Gemma, Llama, Mistral, with details like size, speed, and quantization level. This is really useful for choosing the right model for your needs. I can download any of these models for local use. Just click download and it pulls the model right to your server. This means you can run AI completely offline if you want, no cloud dependency at all. Deep research demonstration. Now here's one of the coolest features: deep research. Let me show you what this can do. I'll ask it to research the latest features of the Odysseus repository itself. Watch this, it's searching the web, analyzing the GitHub page, pulling data from multiple sources and summarizing everything. This is all happening autonomously. And there's our report, a full summary with key features and source links. This deep research feature is incredibly powerful for gathering information quickly. The gallery section is where any images or media generated by the AI will show up. It's empty for now, but as you use Odysseus, this will fill up. Same with documents, this is where your files and research outputs will be stored. Clean slate for now. Settings and customization. Let's check out the settings. Under Appearance, you can switch between different themes. There's a Matrix Green, Cyberpunk Purple, and the standard Dark mode. I'm a fan of the dark theme myself. In Account Settings, you can change your password, and under Agent Settings, you can customize the system prompt and adjust the temperature, which controls how creative or focused the AI responses are. The Integrations tab shows your connected services, and System Info displays the CPU and RAM usage of your container. And that's Odysseus, a powerful local-first AI agent running right on your Proxmox server. Links are in the description below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.